interesting, friends. That is definitely interesting.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm bouncing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
That means that we got a vacuum leak. And yeah. As you can see, you don't do it on that side. I know I said it was gonna be a minute. I was gonna bring y'all back, but you know I gotta get this shit figured out, and I gotta bring y'all with me. So, in latest news, let's see what we got. First, the fog codes. Fog codes. So pendant fog previous or historic codes. Hold on, I fucked up. So pendant fogs. When that shit blinking like that, then you got some pendant shit. Which is the O2. I was unplugging the injectors and shit. And then the O3 is, you know, your multiple, you know what I mean? So, this is what I wanted to show y'all though. I got a little can of AutoZone brake cleaner, and I was spraying around the intake, and yeah, watch this. When we get back here and spraying, right back down off of now. You know what that tells me? That tells me it's a leak back there. That's what that tells me. So we're gonna have to take off this intake, spray some more shit. Earlier I was able to kill the fucking car with this shit. But if we have a vacuum leak back there, that would definitely be reason to have let's grab another can of brake cleaner. I really want to make that bitch cut off of y'all. Alright, boom, brake parts cleaner from your local Wally World. They ain't gonna hurt nothing, just help find a vacuum leak. So you can see me spraying right back down on it now. exactly where I'm spraying. My brother was up. Oh yeah, I can hear that back in now. Very slight. You can hear it. Die, motherfucker. I can't make it die, but I guess we got hit to my game and shit. But clearly there's a vacuum leak there. Like now, it's more evident than ever. But I can hear it. Barely, but I can definitely hear it. What I'm gonna have to do when I get back from the A, we're gonna put the intake off. Yeah, see now you can really hear it. Like it's almost distinct even. Looks like it might be like right up under the injector. So we'll check the seals and we'll check the intake manifold. Again, when we took it out before, we might not have seen it back right down on that. Fault codes, pendant faults. I thought we went ahead and clear them. Alright, so we got P02, 03. Fault codes, clear log faults, and clear, get it all the way out of the way. So yeah, you spray back there. Spray back there. Get to singing a different song. Yeah, spray back there, she get to singing a different song. When I get back from the A, man, we'll dive into that shit. Take notes and all that good shit. So. Back again, bitches. Back again. We don't get this all going though. Believe. So as you can see, these numbers right here are the ones I'm most concerned about. Fuel trim, -31. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Or it's compensating for something. Also, this 51.6, that one might be straight. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some research to see where those fuel trim mixtures for the O2 sensors are supposed to be. Time in advance is like at 11, 17. It's jumping around. Voltage is still good. Coolant like a 192. As the intake temperature changes for the air, then of course it's going to advance different ways. So yeah, that fuel trim -31 has really got me concerned. I need to see like what the range of where that is supposed to be. So yeah, this is just me trying to diagnose this shit with a Bluetooth adapter and a free app. So I ain't got no snap-on shit. Trying to wing it and figure it out myself. So. next time, we'll see. No matter of fact, we can just go ahead and, I'll show you what I find out today. Up until this point, what we've done, what we have tried, we have made sure that all injectors or all coils are sparking. They seem to all be done. I am a little bit curious about spark plugs, so I might just throw a new set of them at it. It could solve the problem. As you can see, we have delved into finding a vacuum leak that's at the back of it, and yeah. What else? And we were concerned about our fuel trim as well. But like that's the thing with this stuff, man. Like I feel like one thing could domino into another, and unless you have, those fancy tools from Snap-on and all that, like I'm just trying to diagnose it a different way, making sure that everything is, whatever. But when you run into putting a junkyard engine into your car, this is something that you potentially run into. You potentially run into, bad sensors, bad injectors, bad coils, bad spark plugs. Also, although I did just recently swap these, even though I did just recently do these damn spark plugs, I do believe that they might have got fouled out again or something like that. I don't really know. I'm just gonna, throw another set at it, give it a fresh start, give it a chance, and go from there. Because if all of them are sparking, then, well, if all of the ignition coils are firing, then it could be just that there is not enough, there's not enough there's not enough spark, or there is no spark. There's nothing to ignite the fuel air mixture, and therefore if one of those cylinders is not firing or misfiring, that could very well be the case, and why. I'm trying to think, but yeah, just going step by step, trying to find out exactly what it is that could be used or whatnot to get to the end of the solution for this. Yeah, so we're gonna keep at it. Keep at it like a crack addict and stay back at it. So it's your boy LS Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice of tools wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. I say get the fuck out of here. Bye.